Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable your promotions on Daraz account. So we're going to activate the marketing features. So first we're going to go to the Daraz app. You can find it both on the App Store and Play Store. Then next we're going to click on the account section. Then we're going to click on settings. Then we're going to click on message. Then we're going to turn it on. So now we can receive messages about promotions. So we can receive upcoming deals and the like. So now you can continue to our shopping. You guys could also see our playlists on Daraz account features. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.